This generic DisplayPort to HDMI cable 4K 6FT. DP 1.2 male to HDMI 1.4 male screen cable for desktop is a lifesaver. It bridges two different worlds. Think of it as a translator. It helps your computer speak to your TV. Furthermore, it works with monitors and projectors too. The 6-foot length is generous. Thus, you have flexibility in your setup. The cable supports 4K resolution. This means incredibly clear pictures. It is a simple plug-and-play device. You won't need extra drivers. Therefore, setup is a breeze. Moreover, the black color blends in. It's truly unobtrusive. I was initially skeptical. However, this generic DisplayPort to HDMI cable 4K 6FT. DP 1.2 male to HDMI 1.4 male screen cable for desktop surprised me. The image quality is crisp. Colors are vibrant. There's no noticeable lag. I use it for my desktop. I connect it to my HDTV. It's perfect for watching movies. Also, it's great for playing games. The connection feels secure. It doesn't wobble. Similarly, sound transmission is flawless. In conclusion, it's a reliable cable. I highly recommend it. Finally, consider this generic DisplayPort to HDMI cable 4K 6FT. DP 1.2 male to HDMI 1.4 male screen cable for desktop for your needs. It's an essential tool. It expands your viewing options. Consequently, your digital life gets easier. It's quite affordable too. So, it's a great value. Therefore, don't hesitate. This cable is a solid choice. You will not be disappointed. Buy it now. Pros: easy setup and use, many device integrations, doubles as smart display, well laid out. Dashboard: great for camera viewing, voice control with Alexa, controls various devices. Customizable dashboard, quick device adjustments, wide device compatibility features. DisplayPort to HDMI 4K resolution supports 6 feet cable length. DP 1.2 male connector, HDMI 1.4 male connector, connects desktop to monitor, connects PC to HDTV, connects to projector. Color: black, screen cable type. This 6-foot black cable connects devices with a DisplayPort to those with an HDMI port, like hooking up your computer to a TV or monitor. It works with 4K screens and uses DisplayPort version 1.2 on one end and HDMI version 1.4 on the other. This 6-foot DisplayPort to HDMI cable lets you connect your computer to a monitor, HDTV, or projector easily, showing clear 4K picture. It's simple to set up and works with many different devices. You can use it like a smart display. And its dashboard is easy to understand, even allowing you to see camera views. You can also control devices with your voice using Alexa, adjust things quickly, and customize the dashboard to your liking.